How to assign my interactive books.
Step 1. Log into School Excel app. Step 2. Once logged in, click on My Interactive Books. Click on Assign Class option. You can see all the book in table format. Click on checkbox of a particular book which you want to assign. After selecting the books, click on Assign Class button. Select Class. Click on Assign Class button. Step 3. Click on Student's Book. These are all assigned books. Step 4. Log out from admin account. Log in into student account by giving username and password. After logged in, click on My Interactive Books. There are two types of books: interactive books and My Learning Books. This one is interactive book. To open the book, click on Open button. Book will open another window. By clicking arrows you can turn pages. In this book each page is a live page. Click on Video button to play.
A girl. Let's say, girl. I am a girl.
Circle.
Go back to the assigned books. These are My Learning Books. Click on any book to open. Use arrows to turn pages. Each topic has 3 buttons: e-learning, talk and exam. Click on e-learning button, it will play teacherly lecture.
Today, we are going to learn the line. Doesn't it look like a line is standing? Let us call it as
Click on talk button.
Hello and welcome all of you. Today, what are we going to learn in English? We are going to learn.
Click on exam button. It is like a SAML quiz.
Thank you.